Hey y'all, Cruising the Coast 2016, and I got a 1985 C10 short bed slammed to the ground. My boys at Metal Brothers build. I think you're gonna enjoy. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it. How cool is that? Stance is right, laying on the ground. Like I said, Metal Brothers build, and those boys built like a 70-something Camaro Gold Rush that I shot, and do a nice job. David and the boys down there. Man, I like that. I like how they brought the exhaust out the side, finished everything up all the way up underneath it. Blacked it out, molded everything in the back, the tailgate, although it still works. You know, the bumper's gone, it's all molded in, the lights are hidden. Just a really nice, clean, classic looking Tahoe cover even on it. And the wheels, I think the wheels are like 15s in the back, like 20 by 15s. Man, that's a cool truck. No drip rails, no door handles, no mirrors, nothing but cool. And look at that grill. Man, that truck just keeps going on. That is cool. That's nice. That looks good. Like the gauges, the layout. I like how they put the monitor there on the dash. That's a cool place for it. Works well. Just a quick clip under here where all the air, and they did a nice job though, right? All smooth, a little dirty, but you gotta understand they drive these cars. That's what this event's all about. LS3 up under the hood. Look what they did on the inner fenders too. How cool is that? How they made it cut so the exhaust or the intake goes through there. 475 to the rear wheels. Very nice, again, very clean, straight, beautiful truck. So there you go, from the 2016 Cruising the Coast, a 1985 C10. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya!